I have a question for you. What comes to mind when you say commerce or e-commerce? Of course, it comes to buying something or producing and selling it. Naturally, capital is not necessary to do this. $10,000, $100,000 capital is required even. So WHAT if I told you that you can do it with $0, how about me? You probably won't believe, but it is now possible in a digitalized world. It is possible to do e-commerce with $0 and earn a lot of money. It is possible to do e-commerce with $0 and earn a lot of money. Trade equals sales. The building block of trade is sales. So what are we going to sell? Talent. We sell talent. Do you think that people who do business or e-commerce, they are investing tens of thousands of capital in this business? Some, they do this without spending $1. In this video, I will analyze in detail how to do this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and answer the bell for the return of this very valuable video. We are defining a niche for ourselves. Let's start with selling paper. Amazon is a great business model in this regard. You can buy suitable products from platforms such as AliExpress and sell on Amazon. By opening a sales page on Amazon, you can earn money by selling even while sleeping at night. As a result, you have made sales just by creating a page and preparing a product list. You have created a different passive income by continuing your life. Print a very nice book about the topic you have determined from ChatGPT, and then print your book cover from free applications. You can design and sell on Amazon Kindle. You won't have a nice income with one book, but when you publish about 10 books using a tool like ChatGPT, you will create a nice income. Let's move on to another niche. You need good information so that you can do video editing, in which, when you have fully learned the subject paper, you can make statements by shooting videos. And this as an educational set. You can offer it for sale at any price on various platforms such as YouTube and Udemy. I recommend making this shooting stage a phone camera, and when you start making money, you can October your service to more people and increase your earnings by adding additional videos to your training. Professional camera. Design t-shirts according to your own creativity. Deliver them to your customers without bothering with your sales and shipping again. You need a Printify and Etsy site in this, but how about, if you haven't heard before, Printify is a print-on-demand company. So a company model with base prices is a necessary stage for a Buddha shipping system. What is this Printify? It is the simplest business model compared to other business models. Let's go to the Printify site. Printify gives you blank white products on the site where you can make your designs. You can prepare your designs here, and then when a customer buys these products, you do nothing. So Printify takes over the printing and shipping of the product. So how are we going to make money from this? In Printify, you make a price determination when creating your product. For example, you set a price of $20 for the sale of a t-shirt. Here, the transaction we call the base price comes into play. So Printify is $10 for these transactions that it has made when this product is sold. Printify takes $10 into its own structure and sends the remaining $10 to your account. Apart from just the t-shirt design, you will be doing the same process in other products and enriching your sales. Vider, you cannot offer your designs for sale on the Printify site. So Edis or Shopify asks you to connect your site and it is published directly in your Edis store. Let me give you another little tip. If you do product pricing based on other t-shirt prices, you will have a chance to reach more people. In other words, if you put the same $20 t-shirt on sale for $50 to get more profit, the customer who comes to your store will go to other stores without buying. That's why we have to stick to the price bases. Well, if you're asking me how to design, there's a way. You can use the Midjourney artificial intelligence site to make the design of your dream. That is, the photo, to create your dream photo. Irony also prompt the summer image. Make adjustments to the product you want to sell on the Printify site and start making money. Don't forget to be creative. Yes, friends, You have started to learn ways to start making money, but are you making an effort to win? Remember that I'm trying to teach you about trading opportunities without tying up tens of thousands of dollars to make transactions that you've learned from me. It won't be enough. You should know that another main rule of winning is to work hard. Not only by making and selling your products, but also to increase sales. You may need to give a nice advertisement. You don't need to tie up money in it. You can attract traffic to your store by leaving links to